When disaster strikes, preparation isn't optional, it's survival. We gathered 6 essential items that can make all the difference during hurricanes, earthquakes, and extended power outages. These aren't just theoretical picks, they're gear we've handled, packed, and imagined using in real emergencies. Power S1200 Portable Power Station. When the lights go out, this 190 watt-hour power station becomes your best friend. With 1200 watt output and 1800 watt surge capacity, it powered our fridge, charged phones, and even ran a fan during simulated outages. The solar panel option adds off-grid flexibility, and its UPS backup feature means critical devices stay online. UL 2743 certification gives peace of mind, and its compact design makes it easy to store or transport. Ideal for homes, RVs, or emergency kits, this power station is a must-have for blackout resilience. Check the description for product links and best prices. This is the kind of backup power that turns chaos into calm. Atexidity LED lanterns. These battery-powered lanterns are simple, rugged, and incredibly effective. We use them during simulated nighttime outages, and their brightness easily lit up a full room. The collapsible design saves space, and the dual pack means you can keep one in your emergency kit and another in your car or bedroom. Whether you're navigating a dark hallway or setting up camp, these lanterns are dependable and easy to use. Perfect for hurricane kits, earthquake bags, or general preparedness. Tap the description for product links and deals. These lights are small but mighty when the power's out. Water storage, cube, collapsible containers. Clean water is non-negotiable in any emergency. These BPA-free collapsible containers come in multiple sizes and fold down flat when not in use. The built-in spigot made dispensing water easy, and the durable plastic held up during outdoor testing. Whether you're storing water for cooking, drinking, or hygiene, these jugs are ideal for camping, bug-out bags, or home emergency kits. Lightweight, reusable, and easy to carry. They're hydration made smart. Hit the description for product links and best prices. These containers are the smartest way to store water without wasting space. Prepared for by Mylar blankets. These aren't your average emergency blankets. Rip-resistant, waterproof, and designed for real survival scenarios. They held up during outdoor exposure and rough handling. We used them in cold, wet conditions, and they retained heat impressively. Whether you're sheltering in place or stuck outdoors, these thermal blankets are essential for warmth and protection. Compact enough to fit in any emergency kit, and durable enough to trust when it counts. Check the description for product links and deals. These blankets are the kind of gear you hope you never need, but will be glad you have. Brita insulated filtered water bottle. This stainless steel bottle combines insulation with filtration, giving you clean, cool water wherever you are. We used it during hikes and simulated emergency scenarios, and the built-in straw filter removed odors and improved taste instantly. It's perfect for evacuation kits, daily carry, or backup hydration. Durable, reusable, and sleek. It's a smart upgrade from basic water bottles. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This bottle keeps you hydrated and protected wherever you go. FosPower Emergency Weather Radio. This multi-function radio is a survival essential. It features no AM/FM channels, a 7,400 milliwatt-hour power bank, and multiple charging options, USB, solar, and hand crank. We used it to monitor weather alerts and charge a phone during a simulated outage. The built-in flashlight and SOS alarm add extra layers of safety. Whether you're sheltering indoors or navigating the outdoors, this radio keeps you connected and informed. Hit the description for product links and best prices. This radio is your lifeline when communication goes dark. Emergencies don't wait for convenience. These 6 items are practical, reliable, and designed to help you survive hurricanes, earthquakes, and power outages with confidence. From power stations to water filters, each tool plays a critical role in keeping you safe and ready. Drop a comment with your go-to emergency gear, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links and the best deals. Stay safe, stay prepared. Your survival starts now.